Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. Sahara beige MB-Tex interior with a salt pattern trim. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set at all season and regular floor mats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows. Steering wheel controls. This one also has smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 25,454 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.